Hey y'all, I am super excited about the new Curlkalon wig collection. They have several different options. Of course, the short tapered wig, and it's called Izette. This is my favorite wig of all because, of course, I love the short tapered look. And it looks exactly like my Curlkalon video that I did initially for Curlkalon, the crochet tapered TWA. So I believe at the bottom, more closer to the nape of the wig, that is a Tony curl. The middle seems to be Carrie, and the top looks like the Kinsey curl. So it's a perfect transition. What I like most about this wig is the fullness. So you can definitely keep it as full as the original, you know, how it comes, or you can take it in even tighter because I prefer the wig to be a little closer around the ears and tighter at the nape of the neck. But because there's so much hair on this wig, you'll have that versatility in that option. And it's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love that the hair pulls and separates without creating too much frizz. So I want you guys to stay tuned as I customize it to shape my head and to my liking. Keep watching. I feel like anytime you expose your own natural hairline, it makes the wig appear to be even more natural. So that's what I'm doing here. And because I still like it to be very tight around my ears, I'm going to use a little bit of Cream of Nature Argan Oil Foam Wrap. I'll put that on, and you won't see this on the video, but I tied it up with a silk scarf so that it lays very flat to my head. I feel like that worked beautifully on the hair. It didn't cause any crunchiness or any residue or any flaking. So it worked very well on the hair, and I'm sure Curlkalon will come out with a very nice product to keep the frizz and maintain the frizz in the shape of the wig. But in the meantime, this Cream of Nature foam wrap did exactly what I wanted it to do.